In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods on Sendwave 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, open up Sendwave on your device. You can do this by navigating to the Sendwave app or desktop platform to get started. Once there, you'll see a homepage designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, which makes setting up your payment methods a breeze. Next, look for the option that says Continue to Send. Clicking this will guide you through to the main payment setup section. This is where the magic happens. It's always a great idea to double check that you're connected to a secure network during this step to protect your personal financial information. Now you'll see a few payment method options appear on the screen. For those who prefer using a card, there's the option labeled debit credit card. Selecting this will allow you to input your card details. Make sure to have your card handy to input the number, expiration date, and security code. These details are crucial for ensuring successful transactions. If you prefer to link a bank account directly, there's an option labeled Bank Account. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your bank details. It's typically straightforward, asking for your account number and routing number. Remember, accuracy is key here, so take a moment to verify your details before proceeding. After entering your payment method, you'll notice a black button appearing on the interface. Go ahead and click this. It's the platform's way of confirming your information and moving you to the next step. At this stage, you should see an option that says This Account. Selecting this will allow you to verify and confirm you've entered all your details correctly. It's like doing your last-minute checking before finalizing everything. You'll then see an option titled Your Account. Here, click and review all your information one last time. It's important that everything is accurate to prevent hiccups during transactions. There's another black button next in line to be clicked. Think of this as your green light to proceed. It signifies that you're ready to move forward with the selected payment method. Once clicked, you'll need to choose your preferred card or bank. If you've input multiple options, it's essential to designate which one you wish to use primarily. Finally, you'll arrive at the Confirm Transfer screen. This step is crucial for validating what you've set up. It's your signal that everything is in place according to plan, and just like that, you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your payment methods on Sendwave 2025. Enjoy seamless transactions and the convenience of easily transferring funds. If you have any questions or hit a bump along the way, remember that help is always available through Sendwave support. Thanks for watching.